You can take beautiful photos and still burn out if you spend hours stuck behind your laptop. AI isn't replacing photographers, it's replacing bad business habits. Let me show you how I use it. Editing. Photoshop, generative fill, distractions gone in seconds. Lightroom masking, sky, subject, backgrounds, auto-selected. So nice. Luminar AI. One click that speeds up a workflow. AI doesn't replace style, but it does give you your time back. Organization. AI culling tools help pick the best shots. I use ChatGPT for brainstorming and recording notes. Notion plus AI keeps my notes in order and organizes them. My whole point is I like to be organized, and AI plus Notion helps me do that. And one thing I can say about using Notion is that you have to use it for a little while to configure it to yourself. So I think if you're really interested in it, you just really have to kind of dive in and get going with it, because it took me about 2 years before I could actually log into it and go to my archive notes or go to my projects, or just kind of depends on how you utilize it. But it is vast, and a lot of the young people I know that are using it, like my nieces and nephews, and so I know they're organized people as well. But it's kind of all about, it's kind of like organizing your closet, and you got stuff in your closet and you want to be able to access it. So by all means, if you have a creative business, I think you should be all over Notion, and Notion with AI. Business and marketing, emails, proposals, blogs, newsletters, captions, all of that stuff. I think once you put your voice into it, or you edit or rewrite it, you can use it to get ideas, organize your thoughts, and have it be your content manager, which I think is a good idea. And it will just save you hours on communicating with clients and trying to organize your notes. My ChatGPT drafts are tweaked with my voice. So if you haven't gotten to the voice side of things, I highly recommend that, unless you love to type out things all day long and then maybe sometimes type them out on your phone. Start using your voice. It's kind of a thing now. AI marketing tools make staying visible easier without stealing my shooting time. My whole point with this section is that business is where money is made, and AI makes it more efficient. I've got one more section I want to go over, and that's real estate, because I'm shooting a lot of properties right now. So I've got a lot of realtors, a lot of architecture, interior design firms, builders, and I could just kind of go into the whole editing thing again about how it really does speed things up. If you're on a deadline, you're trying to get something back to somebody. We've all been doing it for years. The tedious, lasso tool, and trying to remove cars on the street, or specks in a badly lit room, or dust particles, or lights, or whatever. The AI can speed all that stuff up for you. Why not use it? The better the things look after you've worked on them, the faster you get them to your clients, the more they're going to use you and refer you to their friends and family. Faster turnaround, more money, more trust. So I guess what I'm trying to say is AI gives you back your time, and your time is what grows your brand, your relationships, and your income. The creative part is still on you, but AI is definitely going to help you from burning out. And I think that's the most important part when you're creative and running a creative business. If you want more, follow the photography space on Instagram, or DM me the word clients, and I'll show you how I use AI to grow my business.